today's unboxing the Leona Edmiston dress. I've been getting this advertised on Instagram and I wanted to try the brand for quite some time. The package is a little bit, you know, when tissue paper looks like it's been used and it's all crinkly. It's not crisp. It looks like it may have been used before. But anyway, let's have a look. Oh, let's see what it looks like. Okay. Okay. It comes with a belt. I got the extra small. It's the Laura Fleurs Marine. The cotton feels okay. I think it feels okay. I'm not getting a super luxurious feeling from it. It's 100% cotton. Designed in Australia, made in India. Hand washed on reverse side in cold water. Okay. It's got little frills around the edge. Okay, let's try it on.
It's very pretty. I like it. It's blue, definitely blue. What do you think?
Unsure.
Unsure? Goes well with the white sneakers.